How to clean and oil your foam air filter. I'm going to walk you through cleaning and re-oiling this foam air filter. Start by removing the air filter cage. Grab your foam air filter cleaner and spray it evenly across the entire surface of the filter. Don't twist or wring the foam. Instead, gently massage the cleaner into the material to break up dirt and old oil. Fill a bucket with cool water and place the filter inside to soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, carefully massage it again to lift out any remaining grime. Drain the dirty water and rinse the filter in clean, cool water once more. Give it a final rinse under running water until it's completely clean. Gently squeeze out the excess water and let the filter air dry completely in a well-ventilated area. Once the filter is fully dry, take your air filter oil, shake the bottle well. Spray the oil evenly over the outer surface and inner edges of the foam filter. Again, avoid twisting or wringing. Use your hands to massage the oil in, making sure the foam is fully and evenly coated. Finally, reattach the air filter cage and your filter is ready to be installed back onto your bike.